Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 1 OV 100. फलाशेचा पूर्णविराम काम्यत्यागाचे हेची वर्म करणे नित्यनैमित्तिक कर्म शुद्ध स्वधर्म या नाव. Completely stopping the desire for the fruits of action is the best way for foregoing the desires. Perform your daily routines and specially prescribed duties. This is called the law of conduct. सर्व कर्म भगवंती अर्पण क्षणैक विस्मरणे निर्विण्ण मन ऐसे नारदीय भक्तीचे वर्णन भिन्न लक्षण भक्ती हे. Offer all your actions to God and be sorry for missing the remembrance of God for even one moment. This is Naradiya Bhakti, which is different from other ways of devotion. ऐशी भक्तीची अनेक लक्षणे एकाहुनी एक विलक्षणे आपण केवळ गुरु कथानुस्मरणे कोरड्या चरणे भवतरू. There are many such ways of devotion, each more extraordinary than the other. We will cross the ocean of life untouched by its waters merely by remembering the deeds of the Guru. हा गुरु कथा श्रवण छंद लागला मज झालो दंग स्वयंही करावे कथा प्रबंध अनुभव सिद्ध वाटले. I developed a passion for listening to the stories of the Guru and was captivated by them. I felt that I too should write about him from my experiences. पुढे एकदा शिर्डीस असता दर्शनार्थ मशिदी जाता बाबासी देखिले गहू दळता अतिविस्मयता उदेली. Once, later on, when I was at Shirdi and I had gone to the masjid for his darshan, I saw Baba grinding wheat, which surprised me greatly. आधी कथितोती कथा श्रवण करावी स्वस्थ चित्ता त्यातुनी उद्भवया साई चरिता झाला केउता मग परिसा. At first, I will tell you that story. Listen to it with a quiet mind. From that instance was born the whole idea of this Satcharita. उत्तम श्लोक गुणानुवाद तयाचा प्रेम कथा संवाद करिता होईल चित्त शुद्ध बुद्धी विशद होईल. The best shlokas are those which speak of God's glory, a narration of the good works of Sai, conversing about his all-embracing love will purify the mind and the intellect will be clear. पुण्य श्लोक गुणानुवर्णन तत्कथा तल्लीला श्रवण येणे भगवत परितोषण क्लेश निवारण त्रितापा. All the threefold afflictions will be averted if you listen to his life and leelas, and you will have satisfaction. अधिभूतादिताप निर्विण्ण आत्महितेच्छू आत्मप्रवण, आवडी तयाचे धरिती चरण, अनुभव संपन्न मग होती. Those who are distressed by the threefold afflictions, and those who are inclined towards the attainment of salvation, seek refuge at his feet with pleasure, and are then enriched by spiritual experiences. असो आता दत्तचित्त, भाजी परिसा गोड वृत्तांत, वाटेल बाबांचे आश्चर्य बहुत, कृपावंतत्व पाहुनी. Now, give me your attention. Listen to the charming account by which you will be greatly surprised to hear about the kindness of Baba. एके दिवशी सकाळी जाण, बाबा करोनी दंत धावन, सारोनी मुख प्रक्षालन, मांडू दळण आरंभिले. You know, one morning, after Baba cleansed his teeth and washed his face, he began preparations for grinding.